continue with this, and we'll start to mix it. Patriots over the weekend, Red Sox over the weekend. We have some other stuff as well to get to. Oh, Roger Goodell's getting an extension. That's not an eclipse you're seeing. That's Roger Goodell's ass in your face. He continues to win. You continue to lose. I'm telling you, all of you who thought that Deflategate was Roger Goodell's downfall, how does his tuchus taste? You thought it was the eclipse today. It was Roger Goodell's ass in your face. He's been stronger than ever. Deflategate did not bring him down. It made him stronger. He's never had more power. Article 46 has never been stronger because of you. You decided to go to federal court. I just can't help but scratch the Deflategate itch because everything was just so misportrayed to you. The people of Boston, the fans of the Patriots, by the media cartel, the Patriots media cartel. From all the details of the actual Deflategate case, which you don't know half of because you're not told half of them, to, you know, how Brady was ultimately going to win, how Brady was going to take it to the Supreme Court. No and no. He ultimately lost and he dropped it. How the Jets were going to get, you know, punished more for tampering with Revis than you were on Deflategate. How'd that work out? To, this is going to cost Roger Goodell. He's going to lose support. No, it's actually just the opposite. To, well, Goodell's power is now going to be threatened because of this whole thing because he's taken on Robert Kraft. Nope. In fact, he won in federal court and he's never been stronger. Article 46 has never been stronger. To then, okay, well, the Krafts then are going to work behind the scenes. The Krafts are going to work behind the scenes to take down Roger Goodell because they're not going to let this stand. Just the opposite. Robert Kraft is on the committee that approves Goodell's compensation. Real quick, your thought on Goodell, Mike, before I let you go.
Well, if he survived all the controversy with Ray Rice and all this other stuff, why did you think doing the bidding of 31 other owners and 90% of the country was going to cost him his job?
I never thought it did. You people did.